By the grace of Allah Almighty, Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat North Macedonia celebrated their Jalsa Yawm Muslim Aoud on 23rd February 2020 in Peshchovo Namaz Center. Members from 3 cities attended this Jalsa. After Zohor and Asr prayer, the program started with the recitation of the Holy Quran, followed by a nazm. After that, the President and Missionary Ahmadiyya Jamaat North Macedonia, Mr. Wasim Ahmad, delivered a speech in which he mentioned about the background of the prophecy of the Muslim Ma'ud and how Allah Almighty fulfilled it. He also mentioned about the life and achievement of Hazrat Mirza Bashiruddin Mahmud Ahmad and how he led Jamaat worldwide. The program concluded by the silence prayer. This program was attended by 63 people.